Yo, what's good, everybody? This is my unboxing of the all-new iPhone XR. Let's get it.
Tanna.
Alright, the color I decided to rock with was this product red model and everything. Wanna know why? Because I love red. My logo's red, right? My Mac Mini with the red carbon fiber in the background. So there's mad sorcery going on around here. You gotta coordinate, yes indeed. It's against my religion not to match. It is what it is. But anyway, let's take a quick tour around the box. At the bottom, you get an Apple logo. It's red, looks hella nice. Got the words iPhone on this side and the other side. And also, you got an Apple at the top of the box. Now let's see what's on the back. I'm rocking with the 64 gig version, yes indeed. I don't need 128 gigs or nothing like that because I use my cloud services all day. You know what I'm saying? Google Drive is on deck, so it is what it is. So enough of me yapping. It's time to start unpacking. Let's get this unboxing started. Let's roll. All right, everybody, here we are. Man, I love the way they package this one right here. This one right here is unboxing knife free. What I mean by that is they got a nice little pull tab. Just go ahead and unflap that boy like that. Voila! Yes sir, yes sir. Now let's see what's in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it a little bit, swivel it around, and see what's down. All right, the top is off, and at the top right here, we got some pamphlets and everything. Got the product red information and everything. This is really important to me because I lost my brother to AIDS back in the 90s and everything, so the product red movement hits close to home. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But that's the first thing that you see. It's designed by Apple in California, and this product red pamphlet that tells you about the whole movement. Also in there, you got some Apple stickers and everything, which is always a nice touch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now get that on out the way, and there's the device right here. Man, oh man, out the box and everything. But let me show you what else is in here. Okay, comes with the earbuds, the adapter and everything, and there's the lightning cable at the bottom. Of course, there's no dongle. I'm not tripping. I already ordered a dongle from Amazon. I'm not gonna be like a bunch of other people crying and whining over a dongle. That ain't me, that's petty, I can get that. Yes sir, yes sir. Now let's take it back to the phone so we can take a tour of that bad boy. Let's get it. Now here she is right here, yes indeed. Man, oh man. This color red is absolutely stunning in person. Look how perfectly it matches with my Mac Mini. That's what I'm talking about. Mad sorcery at works right here. Yes sir, yes sir. Man, oh man, oh man. Let me go ahead and take off this sticker right here. The classic iPhone sticker that people love to do and everything, take off. Yes sir, man, oh man. Hella beautiful, yes indeed. Still got the mute button right here. The volume rocker on the left side and everything. At the bottom, got the microphone right here. Lightning port, speaker. It's cool. Man, to the right side, you got the power button and the damn SIM tray right here. So far, this feels really damn good. And the size of it, let me give you a size comparison right now. This right here is my Stylo 4. Compared to that, yeah, it's shorter than the Stylo 4. Man, but it feels hella good in the hand. This might be a sweet spot right here as far as size goes, people. Man, oh man. This phone right here is all that. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Man, oh man, oh man. Let me power this boy on. Let's go. Well, all right, everybody. She's powered on and everything. You know what I'm saying? Saying hola, hello and everything. So let me see what's next. I guess I flip from the bottom and everything. Choose English. And get the setup going and everything. So people, I'm about to go ahead and get this set up. And I'm gonna be back right with you. Yes sir, yes sir. Well, all right, everybody. I get my phone all set up and everything. I'm gonna change the background. This is the stock background that it comes with, the earth and everything. Looks pretty hot, you know what I'm saying? It has the bezels around the side and everything, but so far, so good, you know what I'm saying? The setup was mad simple. The Face ID recognition setup was mad simple. No question about it. Took like less than a minute to do. Man, it's moving mad smooth. Everything is cool. So far, this boy bust. This boy smack hard. The color, the build quality is all that. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. Hey, case unboxing and review is coming sooner than what you think. Be easy.